PBS about my setup. Got that 360 cam I like to use. Turn that on. And then I link that up with my headphones. That little guy. It's B10. I got it. It's like 20 bucks off Amazon. And then this lens right here is a transitional lens for the Siddiqui helmet. When I'm on the Harley, I got the GoPro motorcycle mount that goes onto the hand grips right here. This thing works really nice. And then, don't forget the bell. Or mount the GoPro, or the 360 is onto the 360 selfie stick. And if you ride ATV or off-wheels or off-road or whatever, you got the flag mounts. I mounted those into the passenger pegs of the Ducati. And the rizoma mirrors with the little blinkers. Right there. Yeah, quick. Easy. Alright. Yeah, that's about it.